Here's how you can fix Voicemod not working. Open Voicemod and make sure you've selected a voice effect or sound filter. Use the test feature to confirm the effect is working. Also, check that your voice volume and pitch levels are turned up. Next, open Settings in Voicemod. Set your input device to your microphone and confirm the input level moves when you speak. Then, set your output device to the speakers or headphones you want to hear audio through. If Voicemod isn't working in apps like Discord, open the application, then access Discord settings, go to Voice and Video, and set the input device to Voicemod Virtual Microphone. This allows Discord to receive your modified voice instead of your regular microphone. If the issue continues, head to your sound settings inside Mac settings, or if you're using Windows, right-click the volume icon on the Windows taskbar and open Sound Settings. Now, on both Windows and Mac, make sure your speakers or headphones are selected as the output device. Under Input, choose Voicemod Virtual Microphone if you want the voice effects applied system-wide. If none of these steps work, uninstall Voicemod from Settings, Apps, and Installed Apps. Then, download and install the latest version from the official Voicemod website. For Mac, delete the app by dragging it from Applications to the recycle bin, and then download a fresh version. That's all for this video. Thanks.